Let me show you how to mix beautiful dark blue colors like these. We start with our blue and we mix in a tiny bit of black. And we mix it very well. And look what color we've got. Beautiful dark blue. Let's mix in a bit of water so you can see it a bit better. Look what a beautiful color. It's reminding me a bit of a Prussian blue. Our base blue is a cyan blue, which is often used as primary blue. And now let's make our mix even darker. Again, a bit of blue and a bit more of the black. So beautiful. I think we can go with a bit more black. Look. Let's see what we've got here. So beautiful. And look, this is really the color we are having here on the painting. And this in combination with lighter blues, just beautiful. Again, let's mix in a bit of water. And I'm going to show you also how to get the lighter variations. But let's start with looking at this dark blue. So beautiful. Amazing. And let's make it even darker. I'm just mixing what I have left on my brush into this black here. That should be fine. Looking pretty similar, but I think if we mix in some water, we're going to see the difference. Yeah, see? It's even darker. So it's really easy. Just mix in a bit of black into your blues and you get these beautiful dark blue colors. And then if you want to mute them down a bit, you can mix in a bit of white. Look. That's so beautiful. And then you can adjust a bit with black and white to your liking and just see what happens. Let's mix a few different variations just to show you what's possible. Then you can even go lighter. If you want to mix light colors, then really you need only a tiny bit of blue and a lot of white. So here we get a soft light baby blue. And then if we mix this with our dark mix here, it's going to be more muted. And you can also get amazing gray colors. Let me show you that. Let's turn this into a gray. We really take this dark one here, mix in a bit of white. Look, beautiful blue grays. Let's make it a bit darker. Now we have no black left. Let's get a bit of black. And by the way, these are the colors I used. Cyan blue, titanium white and process black. And we want a bit more of the black. So let's mix a beautiful gray color with a hint of blue. Now let's make it darker. And you can go on and on like this. Just try out and see what you like. Yeah, what a beautiful color palette, don't you think? Amazing. From just one blue and black and white, you can get all these different variations. Amazing. And then you can make these lovely paintings with it. Or even, I have more if you're interested, look. Or these were made from just this color palette, look. It absolutely fits with the colors you have here. Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, but also the dark blue colors. Amazing. Alright, see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.